So now we're going to drill a hole in the top. So the best thing I found so far, dig you up and to help it stop spinning, I think you put spores back down on here so it doesn't have to be perfectly circled. So I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Got enough pressure in to get her to start going down. So I got her this way. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect. I haven't done this project in a long time. Those that may not have ever seen this done or wondering what all you can do with it through here at any time. See, an easy chore, but one that I think so I noticed that we was going to take and we'll wait and see what happens here. Let's see if we can't. That's gonna hold. I can start to see a little bit. So this time around, and we'll see. I may have just clogged that all up. It may not go until that's cleared out, which looks like that's going to be the case. GoPro, stop recording. Now, since this project was definitely a fail, throw her in there. Probably wondering what am I going to do about coffee, right? A little aggravated. My project failed. We got a fire going and still got projects, and you guys enjoy the fire, and